safe at home. In previous class, we had seen a chapter which is called The Scholar's Mother Tongue. It is a very humorous and nice story we had seen in the last class. Now we are going to see the new poem which is related to that chapter, which is called Sympathy and written by Charles Mackay. Okay, before reading the poem, I am going to read out information about the author. All of you listen it carefully. Charles Mackay. Charles Mackay was born on 27 March 1814, 24 December 1888. So means Charles Mackay was born in 27 March 1814 and died in 24 December 1889. He was born in Perth, Scotland. He was born in Perth, Scotland. He was a Scottish poet. He was a Scottish poet, journalist, author, and anthologist and novelist. So Charles Mackay was a Scottish poet, journalist, author, anthologist and novelist. So this is his information. Now let's move on into the poem. So before starting the poem, once I am going to read out the poem, all of you listen it carefully. Then I am going to teach you how to read out the poem. Then later on I am going to read out once more the poem. All of you follow me. Are you ready, children? Yes. Now all of you look at the board. Poem Sympathy, written by Charles Mackay. I lay in sorrow, deep depressed. My grief a proud man heard. His looks were cold. He gave me gold, but not a kindly word. Read out once again. I lay in sorrow, deep depressed. My grief a proud man heard. His looks were cold. He gave me gold, but not a kindly word. My sorrow past, I paid him back the gold he gave me too. Then stood erect and spoke my thanks and blessed his charity. Once more. My sorrow past, I paid him back the gold he gave to me. Then stood erect and spoke my thanks and blessed his charity. Have you all observed it? Yes. Now all of you read with me. I lay in sorrow, deep depressed. My grief a proud man heard. His looks were cold. He gave me gold, but not a kindly word. My sorrow past, I paid him back the gold he gave to me. Then stood erect and spoke my thanks and blessed his charity. All of you observed it? Yes. Now let's move on into the meaning of a poem. So what is the meaning of sympathy? Yes, sympathy means kindness. Being kind to others means, example, helping to people who are in struggle. So these are the examples for sympathy. Sympathy means kindness, showing pity on others. Yes. So this poem is about the kindness. I lay in sorrow, deep depressed. So I lay in sorrow means I was in a sorrow. I was standing in a sadness. Deep depressed means, what is the meaning of depressed? Yes, depressed means sadness. So here is a author writes a poem about the sympathy. Once he was standing, I lay in sorrow. He was standing in a sorrow. Sorrow means he was in a very sadness. Deep depressed means he was in a very sad, deep depressed. My grief a proud man heard means, so his grief, what is the meaning of grief? Grief means deep sorrow. His feelings is deep sorrow. Sorrow means crying. His crying. Some proud man means some rich man. He heard that cry. His looks were cold. So his looks were cold. This is not a meaning, but what it means is cold is unfriendly. So his looks were cold means his looks were unfriendly. He was not friendly, but he gave me a gold. So he gave him a gold, but not a kindly word. But he did not speak in a kind way. He did not speak it very kindly. The people, if someone they are in sorrow, what we have to do? Yes, we have to speak in a very kind way. We have to show them some pityness. We have to speak in a very polite and kind way so that they can come from that sorrow. But here is a man, a proud man. What he did? His look were unfriendly means he did not look like a friend. He was just unfriendly, and he gave him gold, but not a kindly word. Means he did not give a kindly word, but he gave him a gold. My sorrow passed, I paid him back. So his sorrow passed means his feelings, his sadness, what all the struggles he had, everything was past. And then later on, he paid him back. Yes, he paid him back. The gold he gave to me. So what does the gold he gave to him? He gave back the gold to him. They stood erect and spoke my thanks. What is the meaning of erect? Erect means straight. He stood up straight and spoke my thanks. Means what he did? He was standing in a straight and he said in that very thanks for the help what he did. And blessed his charity. What is the meaning of charity? Charity means kindness. And blessed, what are the things he did for him? So let's come on once again. I lay in sorrow, deep depressed. So he was in a cry and he was in a very sadness. My grief a proud man heard. The feeling and the pain, the depression, the sorrow what he had, which can be heard by one proud man. Proud man means a very rich man. His looks were cold, he gave me gold. Means his looks were cold. Cold means in a very unfriendly way. So he was not treating him in a friendly way. It was in a very unfriendly way, but he gave him some gold, but not a kindly way. But he did not speak in a very kindly way. My sorrow passed. When as soon as he gave him a gold, his sorrow passed. His problems, everything were past. And also he paid him back the gold. Then stood erect, and what he did? He was standing straightly and he said this thanks and blessed for his charity. Means what is charity he did, what kindness he did, he blessed through that kindness. So this is the meaning of this 2 paragraphs. In next class, we will continue with the remaining 2 more paragraphs. Have you all understood this poem? Yes. Your assignment is to read this 2 paragraphs and write down it for 3 times in your homework book. This is your assignment. Let's meet in the next class. Thank you.